It was 33 years ago, over 3 decades ago, that my father was down here and stuck a shovel in the ground and began a relationship with the city of Pittsburg, Crawford County, and southeastern Kansas. This really is a celebration for Kendall Packaging on a lot of fronts. Obviously, what you're going to see here today are the trappings of what we've accomplished in the course of 18-month project here to grow the business in Pittsburg, Kansas, in our quest to be really the best flexible packaging company in North America. $60,000 square foot addition, a $10 million project, new press, laminator, coater, slitter, and some slitting equipment, finishing equipment. We added some office space and a workout facility to help encourage our employees to make healthy lifestyle choices. But I think more importantly, what this particular expansion means to me and what it means to Kendall Packaging is the opportunity to bring on 18 new employees, 18 new members to the Kendall family. These are 18 families that will have a wonderful opportunity for a good paying job and a career, advancement opportunities here in Kendall Packaging. We have some wonderful equipment here. W&H, Windmiller & Holscher, makes some of the finest press and flexible packaging equipment. Their presses are by far the best in the industry.
The original plant, well, most of you know, was a 35,000 square foot facility that was, as Eric mentioned, started up in the middle of 1986. So for 31 years, we operated a little 35,000 foot plant here and did a great job working in that footprint. We expanded our workforce by over a third. You say 18 people, doesn't sound like a lot, but when you start with 48, 18 on 48, it's a big change.
This expansion is as much for you and for your future and for your careers as it is for anyone else. And so I appreciate personally from Eric Erickson and the Erickson family and from our leadership team, we thank you for everything that you folks do. Wonderful group of people, talented. It's just a great place to do business and to work alongside of you is an honor.
This project represents the largest manufacturing expansion in Pittsburgh in over 20 years.
Kendall Packaging, our vision, if you will, is to be the best flexible packaging company in America. And that's not just the best in terms of the products and services that we deliver, but we want to be the best employer as well.